these are fabulous for doing that. So again, a little bit of Trex onto my finger. I also tend to just pop it onto the back of my hand so that I don't have too much and I can just keep getting it off the back of my hand rather than going into the tub all the time. Okay, so make sure you get it worked all the way in to there. And then what I do is roll the paste into a long sausage. So again, if you've covered your sugar paste and you covered your cake with your sugar paste and it is quite soft, just add a little bit of Tyler powder in before you do this. Okay, so you've got a nice long sausage. I lay it along the top of the mould like so, and then working from one side, I'm just pressing it in at the top and the bottom. Okay, you can see, look, it's working its way in all the way down. And it's pushing the excess as you go all the way down the mould until I get right to the bottom, and then just tear that bit off at the bottom. Okay, and you will see I've got some raggedy edges, look here, where the paste is hanging over. So again, I then go back and just neaten it up. So I'll work my way along. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a couple that I haven't done at this end, just to show you the difference. And you'll be able to see what a difference it makes, and it is worth going back over and just tucking in any of those bits of sugar paste that are maybe popping over the edge. So I'm going to leave those ones there so that I can show you what it looks like when it comes out. So again, just flexing the sides of the moulds like this, turn it over, and then you should be able to just peel the mould away from the paste like so. Okay. So you will see here, I'll lay it on the back of the mould so you might be able to see it a bit better. I'll show you that bit. Okay, so you will see here at the bottom, look, really nice neat edges. And then if I turn it around to that side, hoping you can see, if I point with my pointer there, I feel like I'm at school now. You can see here, look, these bits of paste that are sticking over the edge.